Sachin, I kind of want to bring this back to you. We went through kind of revenue, new customers going deep current. We talked about industries. We talked about those use cases. Where are we today with the AWS program? What are you thinking about in 25 next? Well,
Yeah, no, this is, look, what I'm hearing is very, very exciting for me because we are absolutely kind of looking through our customers' lens and seeing where are the customers going. And one thing that we have looked at from the partner perspective is like, the partners are continuing to, as I used the term earlier, bringing more and more revenue under management. That means that there are more and more workloads that are being managed and more business outcomes that are being delivered. And managed service providers have always been a great showcase for us to kind of say that when you get the right trusted advisor in managing your operations and your consumption and your workloads, and now you have somebody who looks at it from a day-to-day perspective, they can pave the road for you of where the new workload will come from, which new workload needs to go through what kind of security profiling so that it's fitting the needs of the business and where the regulatory and governance compliance and other vectors are going. So we see managed service providers at the forefront for us to kind of acquire more customers and give them that full experience that allows them to kind of free up their mind and say, I focus on the business, you take care of my infrastructure, you keep it current, you give me the best cost optimization, but you also give me the best governance, the best security profile. And now, as we are seeing with AI and agentic models and Gen AI and all of that, we are entering this frontier of industry, a line of business buyers. And what do they need? And so now when you look at it from a FSI perspective, and they are saying, look, I care about risk management or forex risk management and regulatory management. And suddenly now you are building to that profile and that workload. And so we have 11 industries and across those 300 use cases that we are trying to unlock through our partners to help them deliver that value across those emerging use cases that are on forefront of our customers' minds. And what we are now seeing is with agentic models and other pieces starting to kind of emerge, the line of business buyer is where these outputs land. And they are the ones who are defining what they need from the infrastructure and the IT and the cloud that is being managed by all of you here. That's what we are now trying to unlock from a program perspective. We are bringing in the security and obviously the horizontal motions around security, resilience, governance into the mix. But we are also now swimming upstream and saying, look, the line of business buyer, what are their needs and how can we bring more applications, more models, and more business outcomes under management as well. And that's where now the stack gets really rich and the customer value starts really, really popping. So for us, we want our partners to go in and say, we'll learn about your technologies, we'll get the technical capability built, we'll acquire new customers. We are putting incentives for our partners to go in and acquire customers and bring them on board, and then unlock the kind of adoption of the services and now the agentic models that deliver the outcomes into the overall promise that we create. So I think it's a beautiful story which is shaping up, and even gets really exciting now that we have line of business buyers looking at saying, what are you delivering for me, AWS and the partner, right? So we are really excited about that.